What's up, guys? It's Big Muscle. We on the hustle again, and today we at Florida Slammfest 2022, and we're here checking out these lowrider trucks. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Take a look at these beautiful lowrider trucks. There are all types of trucks: Chevys, Isuzus, what you got, GMCs, sidekicks, and stuff like that. Nice rims, all types of hydraulic system connected to these trucks, and of course they're customized in beautiful colors, like this nice one we're looking at right here. Okay, so remember to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. It's Big Muscle. We always on the hustle. Okay, thanks for watching the channel, you guys. Thanks for your support. We're gonna keep going as long as you keep going, and catch me in the next video. Remember to give this a like, leave a comment in the comment section, and hope you enjoy these lowrider trucks. Florida Slammfest 2022. Big Muscle. Peace.